Number 9. 1/4 times 6. How do you multiply a fraction times a whole number? You have to write the whole number over 1. So 1/4 times 6 over 1. When I multiply fractions, I multiply straight across. 1 times 6 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. Now, I can simplify 6 and 4 in a sled. I can pull out a 2, and I'm left with 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 6/4 gives me 3 over 2. Now, 3 over 2 is improper. So 3 over 2, 2 goes into 3. How many times? 2 goes into 3, 1 and 1/2 times. If you want to look at why, 3 divided by 2, 2 goes into 3, 1 whole time, with how many left over? 1/2. 1 and 1/2. All right, next problem.